Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is really a very good opportunity to the candidates who are having the qualification under graduation, post graduation and post graduation without UGC NET or PhD also the opportunities are there, and for the PhD candidates also opportunities are there. So the totally here for the teaching and non-teaching and the academic positions vacancies are announced from the Central University of Gujarat, guys. Okay, so in the official website of this one, here you can check down that online application for teaching and non-teaching post will start from 19th October 2020. So regarding this one, I am going to show you the in detail notification, guys. So the teaching advertisement, click on this one, then you will be directed to the teaching advertisement. First I will show you the teaching advertisement and then I will take you to the non-teaching advertisement. So here the pay scales are very good pay scales, guys, and all these are the permanent jobs. So it will be a wonderful opportunity if you once got selected in this Central University of Gujarat. So coming to the teaching positions here, you can check down the important dates. The last date of online application form is 19th November 2020 and the last date of receipt of hard copy of online application form along with all the enclosures 30th November 2020. So it is a starting date and the last date, and it is a rolling advertisement. So applications received after 19th/11/2020 will also be considered in the next phase of the scrutiny and interview, subject to the condition that the vacancy continues. So as a rolling advertisement, after completion of the last date, that means 19th November also you can apply, then your resumes are going to be considered for the next phase selections. Fine. And so please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities, guys. And coming to the details of the teaching positions in the School of Social and Sciences, so here the centers and the different designations, okay, or the name of the posts are given here, and the vacancies are divided as per the caste category here. So you can check down clearly the Center for Studies in Society and Development, and in Science, Technology and Innovation Policy, and the Studies in Social Management, Studies in Economics and Planning, and Gandhian Thought and Peace Studies. Coming to the Language, Literature and Culture Studies, the Comparative Literature and the Translation Studies, and the English Studies. And coming to the School of Language, Literature and Culture Studies, Chinese, German, Hindi, Gujarati, so these are the things. And Center for Diaspora Studies, and coming to the Chemical Science and Material Science and the Life Science and Environment and Sustainable Development, Library and Information Science, Nanoscience and the International Studies, and the National Security Studies, the School of Education. So total 12 departments are there. Out of the 12 departments, the total 70 vacancies are there, 70 vacancies. And here the assistant, associate and the assistant professor vacancies or posts are included. And coming to the pay matrix, here you can check down the pay matrix for the professor level 14, associate 13A, and the assistant professor 10. So the assistant professor level 10 means as per the UGC regulations 2018, post graduation in the concerned discipline plus UGC NET qualification is required. Okay, so if the UGC NET qualification is not there, then the PhD is mandatory, and the total 70 posts are there. So very good pay scale, guys, 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees. Fine. And professor eligibility, you can check down. I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. Okay, as associate professor as well as a assistant professor qualifications. So these are the given here. So you may check down carefully. And coming to the qualifications, here they given the departmental wise qualifications also. So master's degree in arts, humanities, sciences. So what are the qualifications required? So everything mentioned. So please go through this PDF in detail, guys. Okay, and then now coming to the employment notification for the non-teaching. So here also few wonderful vacancies are there, guys. Non-teaching posts as well as academic posts. And here the last date for online application form is 19th/11, and the receipt of hard copy is the 30th November 2020. And the candidates who have applied earlier under the employment notification need not be applied again. And coming to the pay scales, so you can check down the pay scales here, guys. So here the vacancies are regarding the register, finance officer, controller of examination, librarian, and deputy librarian, internal audit officer, and the assistant registrar, assistant librarian, executive engineer, information scientist, and the system analyst. Okay, here the pay scales are given here. So wonderful pay scales, and all these are the permanent jobs. And coming to the each and every section or each and every post, the age limit as well as the educational qualifications are given here, guys. So you may check down carefully for the registrar and for the finance officer. And for a few posts the undergraduation is enough, and for a few post graduation is required, and for a few post graduation plus experience is required. Okay, so if you belongs to this one, or else if you want to apply, then please go through this PDF whatever I'm attaching in the description box of this video, guys. And for more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon, and please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are interested in such type of posts. Okay, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi guys, my name is Ashwani Kumar and welcome to my channel. This video is especially for the candidates UGC NET Electronic Science. So the people who are going to write the exam in this 5th November 2020, here the Unacademy is providing the crash course that is titled as Crash Course on Electronic Science through Multiple Choice Questions. This course is going to start from October 1st onwards, and by this month end, the course is going to be finished. And by the starting of the November month, you will be ready with the class PDFs, and all the 10 units will be explained in brief. That means the important concepts, formulas, points, definitions, expressions, all these things we are going to discuss in this crash course, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the JRF in this 2020, guys. Okay, so apart from this one, the Unacademy is also providing the full course or else a complete course for the electronic science who are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months or the upcoming years. So here the different subscription plans are there, that is 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So out of all these months, if you want to take the crash course, then you may prefer this 1 month, or else if you are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months, you may take the 3 months, 6 months, 12 months or the 24 months. But if you are planning to take the subscription plans, then use my referral code, that is AshwiniK, then you will get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so apart from these plans here, before going to take all these things, first of all, refer to my Unacademy profile link. Okay, so in my profile link, that I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So if you once enter into my profile link, then you may check down. That means here the special classes are available. Special classes are the free to everybody. Okay, so just click on the see all. Then whatever the special classes I took, that means the free classes I took, that all these classes you can access, guys. Okay, so career opportunity with UGC or non-UGC NET Electronic Science, and regarding the previous year questions, here the 2017, 2018 July and December 2018, and the June and December 2019, all these questions are discussed here, and these classes are completely free. Okay, so first check the way of explanation whether you are understanding here or not, and then you prefer the subscription plans, guys. Okay, so it is the update that I want to provide to the candidates belongs to the UGC NET Electronic Science. And for more updates, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon. And please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are going to give the exam for the UGC NET Electronic Science. Thank you, guys.